students, a very good morning to all. So students, in our last class, we really understood about the importance of sex and sexual reproduction. Is it children? And in our last class, we discussed sperm cell, which is the smallest cell in human body. Right. Then what about largest cell in human body, children? Do you know that one? Do you remember that cell name? Which is the largest cell in human body? Yes, absolutely right. What it is? Ovum or egg. Okay, that is the largest cell in human body. So students, today's topic is how many times I'm going to use the word testis. Testis. It is new word for you, but you should listen to us. Okay. Children, in our last class, we discussed about reproduction and its function. Is it? Now I am going to teach you about different reproductive organs of human being. What are the children? That's our male reproductive organ and female reproductive organ. Right. Which symbol we used for male reproductive? Male. That is male here. Okay. Female we can use like this. Okay. So now I am going to teach you about comparison of male and female reproductive organ with diagram. Okay, so listen carefully. From the diagram, we can easily understand the different parts of these organs. Clear? So students, first we have to understand about the male and female reproductive organs. After that, we can draw the diagram. So what are the different parts of male reproductive organ? That is a pair of testes. Okay, singular we have to call it as a testis. Okay, now we can write a pair of testes. Then sperm duct. Sperm duct is like, it's like a tube connecting with the testes. Okay, then next is penis. Okay, penis, maybe this is new term for you, but you should understand different parts of male reproductive organs. It will come for your exam. What are they? A pair of testes, or we have to say like the testis. Then sperm duct and penis. Okay, next we can check what are the different parts of female reproductive organs. Okay, three parts are, first one it is ovary, then and fallopian tube, or we have to call it as like a oviduct. It's also like a tube like structure. Okay, we can, another name of this oviduct, it is fallopian tube. Then third one, that is uterus. Okay, so these are the three parts of female reproductive organ. What are the three parts of male reproductive organs, children? That's our testis, sperm duct and penis. Okay, testis, sperm duct and penis. In here, in male reproductive organ, male gametes are producing these male reproductive organs. Which organs that is producing male gamete, or we called it as a male gamete? We called it as the smallest cell in human body. What it is? Sperms. Right, very good. So which parts of this male reproductive organ that is producing male gamete or sperms? Which parts, children? That is testis. Okay, a pair of testes, or we have to say like that, testis. Testis is producing sperms. Okay, sperms or male gamete. Then which part of female reproductive organ that is producing ova or egg? Students, this ovary which is producing largest cell in human body. What it is, that largest cell, children? Did you remember that one? Yes, of course. What it is? Egg or ovum. Right, egg or ovum. If it is more than one ovum, we called more than one egg, we call eggs or ova. Okay, eggs or ova. So ovum that is producing by ovary, that is the female reproductive organ. So male gamete or sperms which is producing testis. Then female gamete or ovum is producing ovary. Okay, understand the main differences. Okay, students, so can we draw the diagram? Then we can easily understand this one. Okay, so students, all should have to open your notebook right now. Okay, good. And then draw this both male and female reproductive organ in your notebook. Okay, and label the parts. I will check it on our next DCS. Okay, children. Students, three different parts of male reproductive organs are penis. Then we have to call it as a penis. Then these tubes that are coming from here. Okay, what is this tube, children? Tube-like structure in male reproductive organ. What we call it as a? We called it as a what, children? Say together, sperm duct, right? Sperm duct. This is sperm duct. Okay. Then at the end of the sperm duct we can see two testes, or we have to say like that, a pair of testes. Okay. So two testes we can see at the end of this sperm duct, or we have to say like that, testes. Okay. So these are the main parts of male reproductive organ. What are they? Testes, then penis and sperm duct. Which is producing sperms, children? That is, we know that testis, that is producing sperm cell or male gamete. Okay. Actually, millions of male gamete that is producing by testes. Okay. Male gamete we can draw like that. It is a single cell. Male gamete we have to say like that, it is a single cell. And cell structure also we learned in our last chapter, right? It has like nucleus, cell membrane, everything is there, right? Then in sperm cell we can draw one head part and one middle piece and one tail part also there in sperm cell. Okay, this part we called head. Okay, and this part we called middle piece. Okay, then this, and at the end we can see tail. Okay, children, understood? So millions of sperm cells which are producing by testes. Clear? Okay. Next we can learn the diagram of female reproductive organ. Okay. Students, what are the three parts of female reproductive organ? Did you remember? Okay, then say together, what are they? That is ovaries, a pair of ovary, right? A pair of ovary we have to draw like this, and like a small hand we have to draw connecting with this, a pair of ovary, and fallopian tube. Here it is fallopian tube. What is the another name of fallopian tube, children? What is the another name of fallopian tube? Anybody remember? Yes, absolutely. What it is? Oviduct. Okay, very good. So this is oviduct. Okay, oviduct, and a pair of ovary, and we have to label here. Okay, then tube-like structure that we called oviduct, and this is uterus. Okay, this part we call uterus. Okay, students. So this ovaries also, a pair of ovaries also producing many eggs. Okay, not one egg, it also producing many eggs, and only one matured egg that is moving through this oviduct, only once in a month. Okay, and it is enter into the uterus and become and develop a new baby. Okay, about that development, about the fertilization, we can learn in our next class. Now you just understand about the differences of male and female reproductive organs. What are the, children? Both male and female reproductive organs have three parts. What are they? Yes, what are they? Sperm duct, penis and testes, right? Sperm duct, penis and testes. It is just opposite. When you are learning like this, it will be easy. We have to learn like that. Testis is opposite to ovary. Okay, because testis that is producing sperm cell or male gamete. In female, ovary which is producing egg or female gamete. Okay, then another different. This sperm duct also tube-like structure in male reproductive organ. But oviduct or fallopian tube, that is the tube-like structure in female reproductive organ. And next about the uterus and penis. Okay, are the main differences of male and female reproductive organ. And more about the fertilization we can learn in our next class. Okay, so catch you later. Thank you.